In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase cell size in Excel. If your worksheet looks cramped or your text is getting cut off, adjusting cell size is a quick way to make everything easier to read. When we talk about cell size in Excel, we're really adjusting either row height, which controls how tall each row is, or column width, which controls how wide each column is. You can change just a few cells, entire rows or columns, or even the whole sheet, depending on what you need. Start by opening Excel and heading to the sheet you want to adjust. Decide which cells you want to resize, then select them. You can click and drag across a range, or select entire rows by clicking their row numbers on the left, or entire columns by clicking the letters at the top. If you choose just a few cells, Excel will apply the height or width change to their entire row or column, which is normal behavior. With your selection in place, look up to the ribbon on the Home tab for the Format button. It's in the group labeled Cells. Click Format to open the menu. To make the cells taller, choose Row Height. A small box will pop up showing a number which represents the current height. Type a higher number to increase the size. For example, if the default height is around 15, entering a larger value will give your rows more breathing room. Confirm your change, and you'll see the selected rows update immediately. You can use the same approach to make cells wider. From that same Format menu, look for the option related to column width. Enter a number larger than what you have now, and the selected columns will expand to give your content more space. Row height is measured in points, while column width is measured in character-based units, so don't worry if the numbers don't match. Just increase them until your data looks right. If your goal is to increase the cell size for every row or every column on the sheet, make sure you select them all before applying the format. You can select multiple rows by dragging down the row numbers, or multiple columns by dragging across the column letters. Once everything you want is highlighted, use the same Format menu and apply the new height or width. If you change your mind, remember, you can always undo. That's all there is to it. With a few quick adjustments, your Excel sheet will be clearer, cleaner, and much easier to read.